Welcome to the Zyng ATM video tutorial presented by Zyng Technologies. Today we are discussing the feature Players Advance. To begin, select one of the 5 options displayed on the screen. To use the Players Advance feature, click the Players Advance option. If you are pre-approved on the mobile app, ATM Players Advance, select Mobile App Pre-Approved. If not, select the Touch Here to Begin button in order to proceed. Please insert your debit card. A red scanning light will appear from the keypad below. Hold your driver's license and angle the barcode towards the scanner. Once the scanner has read the barcode, the light will turn off and the process will continue. You will then need to take a photo of the driver's license, hold your license up to the camera on the top of the screen and press OK. Once you have verified the picture is clear, press Continue. For further verification, please enter your 9-digit social security number using the keyboard displayed on the screen. Then enter your date of birth in the format month, day, year. Press Continue to proceed. Wait for the machine to process your request and confirm ID verification. The screen will display a question to verify your identity. Read the question and select the correct answer. Another question will be displayed. Read the question and select the correct answer. A disclaimer document with a notice for electronic delivery of communication and notice of consent of text messaging will display on the screen. Press Agree to continue. Next, enter your mobile phone number using the keypad on the screen to receive a verification code. Press Continue. Enter the 5-digit verification code that was sent to the mobile phone number provided and press Continue. Click View Documents. You will then be directed to a screen that informs you of your loan request approval and the conditions for your loan. A $32 processing fee will be needed for the $500 loan. Press Continue. An authorization agreement will be shown on the screen. Click Authorize Monthly Deduction to process the loan, or click the Terminate Loan Application option to cancel the transaction. Click Accept. Wait for the machine to process your request. To finish the transaction, take the cash dispense below and remove your debit card. Thank you for watching!